In this video, you will learn how to download and install Zoom onto your computer. Start off by typing in zoom.us/download into your browser and hitting enter. You'll be prompted with a blue download button. Click that and it will download to your drive. Launch it either from the bottom of your screen or from the My Downloads folder. It will take a few moments to install. Once installed, Zoom will automatically launch onto your computer. Click Sign In and sign in using your SMU email and your password. Click Keep Me Signed In once this is done. And then finally hit Sign In. And now you have Zoom on your desktop.